Alright, this is a review of the M4. Full metal from airsoft. Handy dandy kitchen knife. Packaging is horrible. This thing. Stupid. There we go. Average old kitchen knife. Sorry. There we go. Average old packaging. Waited for about a week for this. So here's all the packaging. Here we go. So you could switch that around. And then right there, here's the awesomest gun in the world. It's my tablet, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. So, I'm going to do a review on it later. It's full metal M4. About $200 to $250. The only thing I like about it is this thing. And I'm pretty sure it has 420 FPS. Here's the magazine, about 500 rounds. BBs, go this way. You would need this. This is for your strap. And this comes with a 8-volt battery. Look, don't charge it more than 5 hours and stuff. And here's a strap that you might want because it's pretty heavy. It's about 8 to 9 pounds. I don't know why, but it's just heavy. I'm pretty sure it's very accurate. Get this down. Oh yeah, and it doesn't come with a charger, so you're gonna probably have to buy one. It's from Airsoft. It's a M4 carbon. It's full metal, about $200. It says on the box that's for 542 FPS. I don't know why it says that. It's actually it says that right here. 420, exactly. So that's my review on my gun, and I will test fire it next video.